In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you've ever wished to offer discounts to your customers or run special promotions in your online store, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps needed to create a coupon in WooCommerce so you can start enticing new customers and rewarding loyal ones in no time. To kick things off, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. From here, you'll need to click on the Marketing tab. This is where all your promotional tools are housed, making it easy to manage everything related to your store's marketing in one place. After opening the Marketing tab, you'll want to click on Coupons. This will bring up the section where you can view all existing coupons, and more importantly, where you can add new ones. To add a coupon, find the option to Add New Coupon and click on it. This will open up a new page where you can configure all the details for your coupon. Now, let's start personalizing your coupon. The first field you'll encounter is for entering a coupon code. Think of this as the unique identifier your customers will use during checkout. Make it memorable. Maybe something easy to remember like Welcome 10 for a welcome discount or Summer Sale for a seasonal offer. Once you've settled on a code, type it into the coupon code box. Next, add a description to your coupon. This helps your team understand what the coupon was created for and the context of its usage. You might add something like 10% discount for new customers or free shipping for orders over $50. This description will not be visible to your customers, but is helpful for internal tracking. Now it's time to specify the discount type. Click on the drop-down next to Discount Type and choose whether you want a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or a fixed product discount. This choice determines how you want to control the discount value applied, whether across the entire cart or specific items. Following this, you'll want to set the coupon amount. This is where you decide how much discount the coupon should offer. Type in the numerical value that fits your promotional needs, keeping in mind your budget and marketing goals. If you want to sweeten the deal, consider allowing free shipping with this coupon. Simply click on the option Allow Free Shipping to enable this feature. It's a great way to add extra value to your offer. Setting an expiration date for your coupon is also a wise move. This creates a sense of urgency and encourages customers to take action sooner rather than later. Click on Coupon Expiry Date and select the date when you'd like this offer to end. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and are satisfied with the coupon settings, it's time for the final step, publishing your coupon. Click on Publish to make this coupon active and ready for use by your customers. That's it. You've successfully added a coupon in WooCommerce. This powerful tool can significantly enhance your sales strategy, helping you attract new customers and incentivize repeat purchases. Now go ahead and watch the sales roll in.